Ever worked your tail off for years, only to feel like you're stuck in the same place? You get paid, but the money's gone before you can even breathe. We were told the formula was simple: school, grades, job, success. But if that's true, why do so many people still struggle? Maybe the system we trusted isn't built to make us free. Most people think owning a house or a shiny car means they're wealthy. But Rich Dad said that's the trap. When your money flows out faster than it comes in, those assets become your liabilities. The rich don't just buy things, they buy freedom. They make their money work for them, even while they sleep. If we don't change how we think about money, we'll stay trapped, trading our time for dollars until it's too late. That's why Robert Kiyosaki's message hit so hard. He didn't just make money. He taught people how to escape the system. Rich Dad, Poor Dad isn't about getting rich fast. It's about understanding what a true asset really is. Hey everyone, I'm Ethan. Welcome to Ethan's Money Library. Building wealth, one book at a time. Ethan stands in a warmly lit study room surrounded by floating books, glowing gold coins, and a cozy digital studio background. His confident yet friendly smile sets the tone. The atmosphere feels inviting, energetic, and filled with knowledge and excitement. Before we begin, this video is for educational purposes only. I'm not a financial advisor, but I'm here to help you learn what schools never taught about money. If that sounds good, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell. Ethan points to a glowing subscribe icon floating beside him, surrounded by animated sparkles and notification symbols. The mood is friendly and trustworthy. In this video, we'll uncover what Robert Kiyosaki really means by true assets and how you can apply his lessons to your own life starting today. So grab your notebook, let's dive in. Ethan opens a glowing book titled Rich Dad, Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki. The pages come to life, showing animated scenes of money flowing into assets, symbolizing financial wisdom and adventure. Most people think anything expensive they own is an asset. But the truth? If it takes money out of your pocket each month, it's a liability, not an asset. Your fancy house, your car, even your gadgets, they all cost you, not pay you. Now picture this: instead of your house costing you money, imagine owning a small rental property that pays you $500 every month. That's the magic of assets. They put cash in your pocket while you sleep. It's like your money is out there working hard for you. Society tells you to buy a big house and call it an investment. But in reality, it often becomes your biggest expense. True wealth isn't about what you own. It's about what earns for you. The rich let money flow toward them, not away. Most people believe that if they just work harder, they'll finally get ahead. But the truth? Their expenses grow just as fast as their income. It's like running on a treadmill. No matter how hard you go, you're still in the same spot. When they get a raise, they don't save. They upgrade their lifestyle. A new car, a bigger apartment, fancier dinners. They think they're richer, but in reality, they've just increased their chains. Rich Dad once told me, "Don't work for money, make money work for you." That's the secret to escaping the rat race. Imagine living without money stress, choosing projects you love, not ones you need just to survive. Most people think money is just something you earn and spend, but the rich see it as a language. If you don't learn that language, you'll always depend on others to translate it for you. True wealth starts when you finally understand how money actually moves and grows. Think about it: 70% of lottery winners lose everything within 5 years. It's not bad luck, it's lack of financial literacy. When you don't know how to manage money, no amount of money will ever be enough. Schools teach you facts, not how to manage assets, taxes, or cash flow. But imagine understanding money like reading a map. You'd know exactly where to go and how to get there. Financial education isn't just for accountants. It's the compass that guides everyone toward freedom. Most people chase status, not freedom. They spend thousands just to look rich, not realizing they're locking themselves in financial chains. The rich, on the other hand, Know that real power comes from assets, not appearances. Imagine this: you could spend $10,000 on designer items that lose value tomorrow, or invest that same $10,000 into dividend stocks, paying you $500 every year, forever. That's the quiet difference between looking rich and being rich. Poor Dad always said, save up to buy nice things, but Rich Dad flipped it: invest first, so your assets can buy nice things forever. Imagine owning luxuries guilt-free, knowing they're paid for by money that works for you, not the other way around. Most people believe being rich means having a big house or a huge bank balance. But true wealth isn't about the number on paper. It's about how much money flows in without you working for it. That's what Rich Dad meant when he said, cash flow is king. Imagine owning $1 million house. It looks impressive, but every month it costs you money. Now picture a small duplex worth just $200,000, but it brings in $1,500 every month in rent. That steady income is what gives you freedom, not the fancy house. True freedom comes when your income works harder than you do. Even small income streams, like rentals, dividends, or side hustles, can grow faster than you think. Imagine waking up knowing your bills are already paid by your passive income. That's real peace of mind. Most people think playing it safe means they'll stay secure. But Rich Dad taught that avoiding risk can keep you stuck forever. Life's biggest rewards come to those who dare to move when others hesitate. Rich Dad once showed me a simple math lesson that changed everything. If you save $100 a month at 2%, you'll end up with $70,000 in 30 years, but invest it at 8%, and it grows to $220,000. Poor Dad feared losing money, while Rich Dad feared missing the chance to grow it. True confidence comes from understanding, not gambling. Rich Dad taught that risk isn't the enemy, ignorance is. When you educate yourself, bold financial moves feel like calculated adventures, not reckless bets. Money isn't just about numbers. It's about what it can buy you: time and freedom. Imagine earning enough passive income to stop trading hours for dollars. Every $5,000 a month isn't just money. It's 1,000 hours of your life given back. Most people spend 40 years waiting for retirement, hoping freedom comes later. But the rich think differently. They design freedom early through smart investments and cash flow. Why wait decades when you can build freedom in 10 or 15 years? True wealth isn't about luxury, it's about choice. Freedom means being able to travel, create, and spend time with those you love, all on your own schedule. Don't wait for someday. Start building assets now, because time is the most valuable asset you'll ever own. So here's what Rich Dad taught us. Assets put money in your pocket, liabilities take it out. True wealth isn't about working harder, it's about working smarter. Start small, but start today. Build your financial education and let your money work for you. If this video helped you see money differently, hit that like button, subscribe, and share this with someone stuck in the rat race. And tell me, what do you think is the biggest lie society tells about money? Drop your thoughts in the comments. I'd love to hear your story. You're watching Ethan's Money Library, building wealth, one book at a time. Remember, financial freedom isn't about luck. It's about learning. Until next time, stay curious and keep growing.